Hey guys, so this morning I had to run down to the recycling center. I had some old coolant that I needed to get rid of, and since Burnyzz is right around the corner, I thought I'd stop by and check out their new showroom, which did not disappoint. The place is huge and beautiful and a great selection of cars, so I hope you enjoy the video. This here is a very nice 1973 Camaro. Love the orange with the black stripes. A Z28. And personally, I don't care for the new style steering wheel. It's just me being picky, I guess. But beautiful car. And I love those round taillights. They look right. As you can see here, beautiful C2, side pipes, roadster, stick shift, and all kinds of cars. I mean, they have something for everyone. And yes, the reason why I stopped there in the first place, I suppose, to look at C3 Corvettes. And they had a few. I will cover prices and years a little later in the video. But in the meantime, just enjoy the several C3s they had on display. have to admit that I've never really been into hot rods. I think they're cool and all of that, but they're not my thing. I guess a generational type of like or something like that. I mean, they're fine, and I know a lot of money and effort goes into building them, but again, I wouldn't buy one. And trucks, well, again, they have to be of a certain vintage. Newer trucks are usually what I prefer. The old Chevy C10s, you know, from the 60s, 70s. Those are favorites of mine. And as you can see here, they had this Wagoneer. I mean, those are just such beautiful classics. And what is it? 1939 Ford Custom. Gotta love that. Actual mileage may vary. Warning there. And this thing was $70,000. So they're not cheap. And again, the workmanship is just amazing. Beautiful paint and all of that. But not my thing. Now, this Packard, this is a different thing. This is a Super 8, I assume. It's the, I think they were all inline 8s cylinders, but this thing is just beautiful. And well, look at the price, $175K. But look at this thing. It's just, I mean, such beautiful workmanship and design. This is definitely one that I wouldn't mind having. Of course, it costs almost as much as my house, so no. Now here for something different, Mr. Norms. What did they used to call him? The king of Dodge or Mopar or something. So he was the high performance guru, I guess, back in the day. And this, if you want a funny car, here you go. I think it's supercharged and it's beautiful. Not very practical. I don't guess you can drive this thing on the street, but anyway, it is nicely done. As you can see, they also have a few modern vehicles. Like this Camaro, and I'm circling back and going back to where they had the few C3s that were there. This 73 Camaro for 65 grand. So wow, it's a lot of money. Anyway, C3 Corvettes. Let's see what this is. What, a 1982 Corvette, and they were asking 30 grand. Beautiful car. I really like this silver C3. This is also a late 80s model, and it's a 1981 for $20,000. Not a bad price. I mean, it's a beautiful car. I don't know what kind of mileage or anything like that. The blue one, the was the 69, was sold. This is 1969 big block, and this thing was beautiful. 69 Corvette for $70,000. And if you watch some of my other videos, you probably know that I like Impalas. This is 63, and they wanted $50,000. These are, you know, the real muscle cars, you know, like sedans with big motors in them. And this is just a general view of the one side of the dealership, their offices. And again, they did such a beautiful job with the whole design, and it's a very spacious place. It is gorgeous. And again, this is another angle from all the hot rods they had there. And a blue Mopar with some massive meats in the back. And I guess they're selling bicycles too. I don't know, I didn't ask. I used to cycle a lot years ago, did a little racing and all of that, but not anymore. And if you like British cars, check out this E-Type. This Jag was gorgeous. And let's see, what years this thing was. 69 E-Type for 120,000 pounds? No, dollars, but beautiful car. And if you ever seen one with the hood open, it defies all laws of physics and common sense. I mean, I don't even know how they open the hood on these things. I mean, it's really interesting. And another Impala, a Super Sport, beautiful blue. And this from the 1960s. It's really, really nice two-door Impala. Let's see, 66 for, wow, 80 grand. So anyway, this is a view of the outside of the dealership. They were still waiting for their signage and stuff. But the building, you know, the place is open for business. Actually, they own the whole block nowadays. That's the old service shop. I couldn't get in there. They wouldn't let me. But I guess they were busy. But that's okay. Great place. So if you're ever in the Ocala area, you may want to take a few hours to check out Burnyzz. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.